What's up, guys? It is Boglo33 and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you one of my made up things, Flashy Birds, which is pretty much Power Rangers. It's my made up Power Rangers, so don't judge. I got a few drawings and I'm still working on it, but I'm probably not going to even get it finished this year. And just to say to you, I might not be doing a load of videos because I'm getting kind of near to the end of the school year. So, you know, normally if you get to the end of the school year, you got all those big tests and stuff. So, yeah. And also, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while because I don't know why I haven't made one. It's probably because I've been talking with my friend. Yeah. I'm not going to tell you who my friend is. But I will be showing you some Flashy Bird drawings and the identities of 3 Flashy Birds so far. So, let's begin! Purple Flashy Bird, and there's Mayhem there. He's a villain. He's a villain of Flashy Birds, main villain. We got me, Buglo33. And then we got, you know, the grass and that. Got that. And then on the back is, our bird Megazord, but you can just call it Redbird Megazord because really, whatever those 2 colours that was beginning with R. And Illuminati Attack. There are the blue and purple Flashy Birds, not in their suits. And on the back is nothing. And you see, I'm trying to fill up every page. Oh, damn it, this is one of the last ones. I told you it's not that big. Identities of the Flashy Birds. Red is Flashy Bird, silver. Blue is Buglo, and then we've got purple. Yeah. And if you can't read it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the description. The names, maybe. I might not. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Oh, and first of all, I'm going to quickly go and get a net. Okay, I'm back. Just got this. Because now, we are going to save a bee's life. Ah, I just stepped on something. Okay, we're going to wait. What is that? It's like a bee. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.